This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a simple stir fry of firm tofu with leeks.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
As with all stir fries, you should prepare all your ingredients first. Let's start off by cutting 2 blocks of firm tofu into small strips. Set it aside. Now for the leeks. Cut off the roots and cut the leeks diagonally about 1 cm wide. Slice up the carrots. The carrots will add some bright colors to this dish. Now, in a hot pan, add a generous amount of oil. Fry the tofu pieces till they are lightly browned. Set the tofu aside. Remove most of the oil and leave about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Add in 2 cloves of garlic and 3 slices of ginger and fry them till it's fragrant. Add in the leeks and the carrots. Stir fry for a minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, half a teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of water and cover to steam the vegetables till the leeks and the carrots are tender. Add in the tofu and mix well. Now it's time to adjust the seasoning. It needs a little bit more soy sauce here. Turn off the heat and finish the dish off with a splash of sesame oil. A simple stir fry of firm tofu with leeks.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.